to you for watching this video. Okay, it's all about thrifting again. I must get all this finished before I start making new clothes for them. This is also the same like the last video for the dad, and yeah, I don't know if I'm going to use it, so I'm not going to do anything with that. That can stay. This is a little, I want to change the straps on this back, or the straps looks ugly and it's over the time. On this bra here, I'm just gonna put new elastic for the soldiers on this one, so there must be something down there. And then this is one of the dresses one of my dolls came with, but well, as you can see it's all loose here, so I just want to fix it. I want to fix it around the waist for Kylie. It must fit a nice denim skirt for Kylie. And then this will be a quick fix. It was actually a dress that someone cut off, so I'm just gonna cut it neatly and try and fix what I can fix here. This is also a little dress that comes with, but I'm gonna close it here on the bottom. I don't like, maybe it's the wrong side around. If you look at the neckline, this is the front, so yeah, I'm gonna just close it up here. So this, all this basically is thrifting. This pants is way too big for the dad, so I must make it smaller. One of my dolls came with this shorts, but it's way too big for even that doll. So yeah, I must fix that. And then I actually got now I've bought two of the same doll, just one with blonde hair, one with dark hair, but they came with the same outfit, each of them, so I was a bit disappointed about that. But then I could make a plan. So one outfit I'm gonna leave just as it is. It's just a short sleeve jacket, hoodie type of thing, with a shirt and says school and the long pants. So I'm gonna leave this one just as it is. But this one I'm gonna change. So first of all, on this hoodie I'm gonna put sleeves, just white with white t-shirt. I'm gonna put sleeves on here. I'm just gonna use plain white t-shirts to make with like a long sleeve jacket then. And I'm gonna change the word. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can put something over there. The only thing, all I've got now is the same pink bicycle thing that the son had in one of his shirts, but I think that's all that's going to be big enough for that. Otherwise I've got this words here as well, but it's actually a bit too small. Maybe I can cut it a bit bigger and put that on top of the words there, just to make it say something else here instead of the same as the other shirt. And then with this pants I'm gonna make it short pants of this, so that's going to be easy. I'm just gonna have to, I think, make it loose, yeah, so to make it easier for me. But yeah, I'm gonna make this short. So that's what I'm going to do for now.
try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way? Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Pants like I like. Someone wrote something like shh on the shirt because I didn't like just the scratches. And then this is long sleeve. Well, it's got a hoodie now, so I think it looks came out quite good and fine. So yeah, if you like this video, just press that thumbs up button and then subscribe if you want to, and see you next time. Bye.